हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड आई एम गोना टेल यू गाइस कि इतनी मुश्किल से मैं पहुंची हूँ ना बैंगलोर। मेरा दिल जानता है। डिलेड फ्लाइट्स, जो फ्लाइट 3 बजे चलनी थी, इट took off at 10 in the morning and it was such a pain, but I was so happy that it did this. And yes, so this was our touchdown. So we had a layover at Mumbai and then we came back to Udupi. So this was us going to Udupi. So we landed in Mangalore International Airport, and then we had to take a cab to reach there. So this was the airport of Mangalore, and yes, it was pretty small though, so it was okay. But I was way too tired by the time that I reached this place because it was already 8:30 p.m. So सुबह 6 बजे का निकले I reached Mangalore at 8:30 p.m. So it was like already sunset happened. So एक दिन हमारा और था बीच का, which kind of, we had booked it accordingly, but ठीक है, मतलब that is how it was.
Guys, so we've reached so this is the room. So this is what the bedroom looks like. It's a very beautiful property that we have. So we have is the changing area and all, and then this is the bed, sofa, some coffee table, and okay, let me show you guys the view. Guys, you have to see the view from here. Okay, so this is the beach, but unfortunately अभी रात को दिखेगा नहीं because it's too much of like अंधेरा है उधर, so you won't be able to see it, but this is what it looks like. And plus we have a huge coconut tree here.
So guys, it was the next morning, the morning in front of the beach. I think this was the best morning that I had in a long time, but it was amazing. So I went to the beach subah subah, and it was just such a beautiful moment. It was just me, sand, and the water, and I really, really enjoyed not rushing. And I think this was my take moment that I just wanted to feel myself and just the breeze. So we came back, had breakfast, and it was time to get ready to go to the beach.
Guys, we have a plan of going to the island. So there is an island over there. I don't know if you guys are able to see it, but so this is what I'm gonna wear. So I got this a long back. मैंने अभी तक पहना नहीं है, तो this is, I think, the perfect time to wear this dress. I'm super excited. So let's get ready. Good morning, guys. It's actually good afternoon also. By the way, can we talk about the view? Oh my god. Okay, so we just got ready and we are off to the island. So I'll show you guys. This is the view and this is the island that I was talking to you guys about. I'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. So this is the island that we are going to go, and so we have this beautiful view from the balcony, which is the beach view. This is what it looks like. This is the Malpe beach. So yes, I'm very, very, very excited to be in the waters after such a long time. And well.
So since I didn't had any vehicle on my own, but I think so we took an auto and हम गए थे St. Mary's Island. पूरे रास्ते it was smelling so fishy. Like I have no clue why Udupi. Generally, what I felt was it was just smelling like fish, मच्छी market की तरह. Okay, so this was the time that I was going on the boat, and yeah, so I really, really enjoyed the boat ride. It was just me and myself at the moment and the breeze, and fortunately there was no fishy smell, so that was something that I really, really liked. And I think the weather was perfect. It was a little hot, थोड़ी सी गर्मी थी. सो गाइस, फाइनली हम पहुंच गए थे सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड, एंड इतना सुंदर क्लीन पानी पूरे बीच पे. इट वाज सो सो ब्यूटीफुल. प्लस बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं थे, सो इट वाज वेरी इजी फॉर अस टू ट्रैवल. तो एंड बहुत कम लोग थे, एंड प्लस इट वाज वेरी वेरी क्लीन. पानी भी, इट वाज वेरी वेरी क्रिस्टल क्लियर, मतलब क्योंकि सैंड नहीं है यहाँ पे, सो इट वाज बेसिकली शेल्स का, ये जो आप पैर के नीचे मेरे देख रहे हो ये बेसिकली शेल्स के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े हैं जो सैंड की तरह एक्ट कर रहे हैं, बट एक्चुअली कोई सैंड है नहीं यहाँ पे। बट इट वॉज सो ब्यूटिफुल, वेदर वॉज सो गुड, थोड़ी सी गर्मी ज़्यादा थी बट आई थिंक आई रियली इन्जॉयड द वेदर, एंड हवा चल रही थी बहुत अच्छी, सो इट वॉज एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी नाइस। सो वंस वी वर डन विद एवरीथिंग, हम वापस पहुँच गए अपने होटल एंड आई वॉज जस्ट इन्जॉइंग द सनसेट। ये मेरा एक्चुअली ड्रीम था टू डू दैट, बिकॉज बीच के पास सनसेट और मेरी कॉफ़ी, आई थिंक दिस वॉज द बेस्ट मोमेंट दैट आई हैड in my vacation.
So guys, I don't know how much you guys can hear it, but we've came at the beach. Morning guys, it's the next day and so I'm ready. I've had a shower and the hair is very frizzy here. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna go. I'm ready and the last time the view. Wow! Oh my god. One thing which I'll miss is the view, because who does not like a beach view? So I am ready and this is what I'm wearing and I'm going to go. Let's see कहाँ जाना है. So let's go.
सो वो लास्ट डे था हमारा उडुपी में. नाउ वी वर ट्रैवलिंग टू अ टेम्पल विच इज़ कृष्ण मठ, एंड देन उसके बाद वी हैड टू गो टू मैंगलोर. सो अगेन ऑटो वॉज द बेस्ट राइड टू गो फॉर, एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फिशी स्मेल. मछली की बहुत ज़्यादा स्मेल थी, बट ठीक है. सो वी काइंड ऑफ एंटर्ड इन द सिटी एंड दैट इज़ हाउ कृष्ण मठ लुक्स लाइक. आई थिंक इस दिन पे वी आई लेटर ऑन गॉट टू रियलाइज कि कुछ इवेंट चल रहा है यहाँ पे. सो इट वॉज़ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. सो ये दो रथ थे जिन पे कृष्ण जी को लेके जाया जाता है. सो बेसिकली पूरे चक्कर लगाया जाता है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं देख नहीं पाई थी, एंड ये यहाँ पे प्रसाद मिल रहा था. एंड लेटर ऑन वी केम टू गेट द फूड. सो दिस वॉज अ प्योर साउथ इंडियन थाली दैट वी हैड.
मतलब समवट कड़ी बिटवीन कड़ी एंड कुरमा. ये सारू मतलब रसम आपका.
रसम.
हाँ ये सांबर.
सांबर.
हाँ ये कर्ड. हाँ
कर्ड तो पता है.
सब्जी किसका है? वो जैकफ्रूट है ना.
हाँ.
कच्चा
गाइस इनका जैक फ्रूट वाला जो सब्ज़ी थी इट वॉज सो गुड. वो चावल के साथ भी इतनी टेस्टी थी, एंड दिस प्लेस वॉज लिटरली जैम पैक्ड.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, I just want to try this. So apparently they have orange red banana. like मैंने येलो ही देखा था. How much?
सो वंस वी वर डन विद द मंदिर एंड वी केम बैक टू द होटल, हमने अपना लगेज उठाया, देन वी वेंट स्ट्रेट अहेड टू मैंगलोर. एंड उस दिन बस हमने खाना खा के वी जस्ट हैड अ गुड चिल, एंड देन नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वी वर ऑफ फ्रॉम मैंगलोर to Bangalore. So we had a flight from Bangalore to Bangalore, and then Bangalore back to Chandigarh. So this was a very smooth ride because कोई delays नहीं थे. So I was very 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 happy about this. But I had explored so much in terms of food. मैंने वो नहीं दिखाया बहुत ज़्यादा, but I think this is a best place. Bangalore and Mangalore is a good place to go and try some food that you want to try it. Also it was a moment for me to show you guys कि पूरा एयरप्लेन खाली था, but ये अंकल मेरे आगे आ गए. So yes, so that was the vlog you guys. I had such an amazing time. And बस ये 2 दिन का बहुत quick trip था, and then we reached Chandigarh. So thank you so much you guys for watching this vlog.